COVID-19 has wreaked havoc on the global economy. Thousands of companies have been forced to throttle down or temporarily shut down assembly and manufacturing plants. Manufacturing companies in the European Union and North America are going offline. And even if China is recovering, its capacity is diminishing. Significantly, the pandemic has strongly affected the worldwide demand and supply. With this level of uncertainty, companies are forced to find their way through these tough supply and demand challenges. At the same time, companies need to prepare for the recovery that may arrive in a not-too-distant future. With these uncertainties, the question now is how companies can fashion a recovery plan. This presentation provides companies globally the strategic headway in managing uncertainties and plan out for supply chain recovery. There are 3 scenarios that companies must focus on to be able to develop practical insights into the range of outcomes. Scenario 1, worst case, multi-year recovery. Scenario 2, best case, Q2 recovery. Scenario 3, most likely case, post-Q2 recovery. These scenarios represent 3 different realizations of the recovery length and magnitude: the pessimistic, the more optimistic, and the most likely scenario. Achieving supply chain recovery requires improving resiliency of the supply chains to handle global and local disruptions. This deck also includes slide templates for you to use in your own business presentations. Want to learn more? To view this full document, check out the page linked to in the description below.